So this is creamy but spicy sweet potato curry. Vegetarian and vegan, delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so in there I've got coconut oil and I'm gonna add cumin seeds and fresh red chili. To that I'm gonna add fresh curry leaves, and 1 cup onion. We're gonna go for 4 minutes. Beautiful. Next up, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. I'm also now gonna add some salt and fresh chili. The amount is up to you. 2 more minutes. Fantastic. Next up, we're gonna add our sweet potatoes. In they go. Now, as you can see, I've cut them into rounds and I've kept the skin on. What I've done is I've just scrubbed them, you know, give them a nice clean, and then we can keep the skin on there. But we're gonna go now for 4 or 5 more minutes. We're on a high heat, keep it moving. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Fabulous. Next up, let's get our powders in. Let's take a look. We've got a teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, cumin and coriander. In it goes. 1 little mix. Fabulous. And here I've got a pint of coconut milk. We're now going to get this on a low heat, not a simmer, but above a simmer. And we're gonna go for about 6 minutes or until your sweet potatoes are nice and tender. Okay, off goes the heat. You can see that that's reduced down and deepened in color. That is really, really beautiful. Job done. Okay, there you go. Really, really simple, beautiful sweet potato curry. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.